You can do this with your phone. You can even do it with your computer or laptop if you don't have a phone. It's available for both iOS and Android. It's absolutely free. It works all over the planet Earth. And if you stay until the end of the video, I will show you some bonuses and I will show you how you can earn even more than $800 in 30 minutes. And I will give you an absolutely free online tool that will do all of the work for you. So this is going to be by far one of the easiest ways to make money online for absolutely free. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Now, just a moment before I give you an absolutely free online tool that will do all the work for you and that will help you make hundreds of dollars in less than 30 minutes, I need to show you what you need to set up first and where you need to set up for absolutely free before we get to that tool. And as I said, this can be done even with your phone or just a computer or a laptop. So the first thing you need to do is to come over to a website called latium.org. That is latium.org. This is a place where you can get paid to complete many different jobs including surveys, app downloads. You can get paid for downloading different apps, completing different video and animation projects for audience, music engineering and science, and much more. So there is a room to make money for everyone in any specific category. But there is no need to complete all of any of these because I'm going to give you an actual tool that will do one specific job that will actually pay you a lot higher. For example, app downloads, or I know graphics and design. So there is one specific category and we will be focusing on that absolutely free tool. So we can just collect earnings without doing any hard work. And I know all of that might sound a little bit confusing to you right now, but just stick with me and I'm going to show you step by step on how you can do it. Because as always in all of my videos, I explain everything step by step. So it's going to be easier for you to take action and make money. So I want you to just follow along with this video, follow each and every step that I take on this video. So once it ends, you will be ready to start making your own money. You will be ready to collect your earnings. Now, speaking of projects, as you can see, there are many different projects that will actually pay you $800 for something that can be done in a way less than 20 minutes. Indeed, if you stick with me, I will show you that tool which will do it in less than a minute, literally. And there is this endless stream of projects that you can complete and collect all of the money from this website. Now, the next thing you need to do once you come over to latium.org is to click on I want to work right now. Because obviously, we are not here to hire anyone. We don't want to spend any money. We just want to make money for absolutely free. And what we'll exactly be doing is just click I want to work right now. In this site here, in the home page, enter your email address. Then just hit I'm not a robot. You will receive an email from them that would have a look at something like this, as you can see, and then just click confirm. Then you will need to enter your first and last names, enter your email address, create a unique username for your account, and create a password of 8+ characters. And of course, make sure to include some special characters such as these. Then just hit I'm not a robot and click continue. Then it will ask you again whether you want to hire people or you want to work. You will just obviously once again click I want to work. Then you can skip this process, and when it asks you about your skills, I want you to sell translation and languages. Now don't panic if you don't know how to translate any languages or whatsoever, because I'm literally going to give you an absolutely free tool that will do all of that for you. Plus, I'm gonna share with you some tricks and tips to make even more money way faster. You can basically select even all of these if you want to. The more you select, the more money you'll be able to make because the more offers will pop up for you. Then hit next and you will be sent to this page. Just click boost my profile. After that, just click browse right here and click browse projects now here. So you can see different projects. You have everything from like surveys, graphics and design, all the way to video animation, audio and music, blockchain and cryptocurrency, business data annotation, and much more. But we are focusing on one specific thing, and that one specific thing is going to be translation and languages. So click here where it says translation and languages. Now that's going to show you the different offers that will pay you sometimes even over $1,000 to complete something that will take you just a couple of minutes if you stick with me until the end of the video. As you can see, this is an endless list of projects. There are new projects coming in every single day, so you will never run out of projects to complete. And there will be no shortage of money to make on this website. As you can see, the list never ends. It just goes on and on. These are all the projects that will pay hundreds of dollars, as you saw, sometimes even thousands of dollars. And these are all pretty basic projects like translate something from English to Spanish or from English to Arabic. Now don't worry if you don't know how to translate from English to Arabic or from English to Spanish. You don't have to because the tool will actually do it for you. And you can get paid anywhere from $750 all the way to $1,000 for this project. And take a look how much it's gonna take you with this absolutely free tool. Well, actually, right before I show you a tool that will do it for you for absolutely free, don't forget to drop a like to this video and leave a thumbs up because it really means to me and it will really help me. So I would really appreciate if you could just go down below and click the like button. Alright, so now the tool that will actually do all the work for you for absolutely free is simply Google Translate. I want you to go over to Google and search for Google Translate. But don't use this one. Avoid this one. You just click right here where it says translate.google.com. This is their official website. So click on that and here you can detect any language you want to. So it doesn't matter whether that's going to be from English to Arabic, you can still do it. No matter whether that's going to be English to Spanish, you can still do it. Or English to Hindi. Whatever language it is, you can use Google Translate to do it professionally with a simple click of a button. So in this instance, I will select English. So we wanted to translate something from English to Spanish in order to get paid over $750 all the way up to $1,000. So let's say something in between. We will probably get paid even more. I can open up this Google Translate website. Even on my phone, there's even an absolutely free app which you can install on your phone and use it and just select from English to Spanish right here. As you can see, it's gonna translate from English to Spanish and just click here where it says documents, because these guys will give you an entire document to download to your computer, and you just need to come here, click document, click browse your computer or browse your phone, then just find that text document, double click on it, click translate, and now the Google Translate will do everything for me. I can search for Google Docs, so go back to Google, search for Google Docs, open on this website where it says docs.google.com, click on blank to open up a brand new page, and just paste the translated text right here. After you do that, just go to the file, go to download, and just download it as a PDF document. And if you open up the PDF document, you can see it looks really nice and professional. You can go back here and you can still submit it. And as you saw, it literally took me less than 5 minutes to do this. I mean, not even 5 minutes. It was probably a couple of minutes because I was explaining. But if you're not explaining, if you're not filming an actual YouTube video like me, it will take you like 1 or 2 minutes to get it done. And you can get paid hundreds of dollars again and again on this website. It's absolutely free, and as you saw, it was super easy with Google Translate. You might not get accepted for all these different projects and all these different jobs, but submit your proposal for as many as you can, and you will get accepted for some you want, but still you can end up making hundreds of dollars from this website. So I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you won't be missing out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.